So I figure I film what I eat in a day. I haven't done one of these in a while, so today might be a fun day to do that video because we did go grocery shop yesterday. We bought some food that we want to have for the week. Baby's gonna have 2 bacons and 2 eggs.
I was told to come later and I came later.
And we also cleared today. You just had that already. I mean,
Yeah, because I knew that these guys were coming in from out of town, so
make sure you trust that I got.
I said it is because if you tell me one thing and then you said the important piece of the content from earlier. So okay,
I said 6.
Okay, 6.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back.
I'm making Babe's food. I make his first and then I make mine because I use his bacon grease to fry his eggs and then toast his bread and then I'm gonna make mine. I want to make an omelet, like a Spanish omelet. I'm gonna be using some organic baby spinach. I'm gonna be using some bell peppers, onions, and I'm gonna add a little bit of almond mozzarella style shred. It's from Trader Joe's, and so add a little bit of cheese. And then I'm not having a toast. I think I'm just gonna do some strawberries, and then I'll make myself a tea.
Keep your better. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey. Already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl respect. You can keep your better. I'ma make a
For example, you require less from most friendships. So you're satisfied with what you get or what you don't get, whereas some people might require a little more from them. That, that's where it comes down to.
Right. All seeing each other once a week is fine with me. If it's not fine with you, you express it. Without figure out way.
You can see each other twice a week.
We're ready to see each other twice. If that's not enough for you, talking to people who know themselves, talking to people who are mature, talking to people who genuinely wants to find resolve. I love those type of individuals. Those are the people I can genuinely make sacrifices for. In my mind, I feel like making sacrifices for. I'm content with those. The people that I dread making sacrifices for is people that I feel that
You wouldn't even make sacrifices.
I wouldn't think you already know me now. Asking what you're asking of me, whatever you're accusing me of doing, is exactly what you're asking me to give you now.
Right.
And I'm not gonna play by that rules. I just feel like that's weird. That if you bring it to my attention, sure, address it. We'll find a middle ground. I'm not about to. I don't care if you're a lovey-dovey person. Well, I'm not the lovey-dovey person, so you gotta figure somewhere in between where we both can be comfortable.
I think that comes with your timing of things. Like you set up timing, just like so low.
Right.
And sometimes I'm like, I don't know if it helps you, but it helps me. Like whenever I'm going crazy, I mentally rely on you a lot. Not in a sense of you're gonna show up, but in a sense of because I know this is a part of my life that is concrete. I know that I'm not gonna lose out on this part. So even if life doesn't go as planned, I strongly believe that the fact that we have a strong base, you'll help me like push through if I end up losing something I love. Or if I got fired from my job, I know that we'll find a way, So whenever I think about that, I feel like the concrete relationship is literally what keeps me from going insane because we figured it out because I'm in the process of making lunch and it's a good lunch, it's a quick lunch, and I feel like this is the type of realistic lunch that is nice to share. Editing Vanessa here. This video was captured in 2 days. Typically, I only have 2 meals a day. I wanted to make a strong note about that. I almost rarely ever eat 3 times a day. And typically, I'm never hungry for breakfast. However, the first clip you guys are watching is a day where I was hungry for breakfast because I had an intense leg workout. And the day where you see me eat breakfast, I only had dinner. After that, we had Taco Tuesday. We went out. And the next clips you see is me having a lunch and dinner, which is typically what my days look like, the lunch and dinner. I usually don't intake these 3 meals in one day. So I thought I'll pop in here just to make that known. Get back to your regular scheduler program. We're talking with our hands a lot. The sound that you're hearing is chicken breast. I am frying some chicken breast for Biggs so that he can have it with some leftover rice I made last night for his lunch. I have this can of beans that I got from Trader Joe's. Beans, you can get any brand, and I saute that on the stove top because this is quick. I'm gonna have like some beans tacos with salad. So you have onions in here, seasoned per usual. I added some garlic powder. I added this Goya seasoning in there and some pepper sauce, you know, seasoning. Boom. I did use olive oil to prep the beans, and the beans took me like 5 minutes to do. Legit, like 5 minutes. I am using these mini tortillas from Trader Joe's, organic tortillas. So I went ahead and cut open a half of avocado and added this to my salad. I'm gonna save this for this evening. And then I added some of that beans that I prepped. I just made this beans. Like I said, it took me less than 5 minutes to make. You have onions and just your seasoning using olive oil in here. The beans are going to fill us up. That's what I'm using mostly. And I'm currently toasting 2 tortillas, mini tortillas from Trader Joe's. I try and have of recently, since getting back in the gym, I've been having mostly a high protein meal for lunch and then incorporating my carbs for dinner. That's lunch. This is very realistic for me. This was quick. This is a under 10 minutes type of meal. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. So I have my tomatoes under here, avocado, beans, and my spinach. I have some more tomatoes on the side, and then my 2 tortillas. This is coconut milk that I had in the fridge leftover, and I just scooped the milk part to add to the chicken to make coconut chicken. Dinner time. It's late time. I've been editing video all day and I'm starving. I'm bloated from the beans. That's it. I'm starving and bloated from the beans. Anyways, this is what we're having for dinner. I have some leftover rice here that I made last night. Some version of curry, red curry rice is what I made last night. And then I think I'm gonna have that with beans and avocado. Yeah, and maybe I'll add chicken on the side. So these are all leftovers. My protein, and then for chicken. So this is dinner. We have some curry rice. We have some black beans that I made. Some chicken breast, just 2 pieces that I made. And then avocado. I'm going to heat this up before adding my avocado. And that is realistic dinner. Excuse me, sir. Man. While my food warm, I'm gonna show you guys what the the pups are eating. We have their dehydrated food. 1 scoop for the little one. I'm doing 1 scoop for the big one because she has leftover in here from this morning. You didn't eat all your food. See? Have some hot water. Some hot water. Look. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. That wraps up my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got some inspiration. Other than that, make sure to subscribe and follow me over on Instagram, and I will catch you guys when I catch you. Stay humble. Bye guys. You just gotta add a little bit of shot in here. Just grab a shot of dark liquor, throw it in here, and call it a night. Just kidding.